is everywhere, a documentary. Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how Netflix knows what show you'll love next, or how Google finishes your sentences before you even type? That's AI working behind the scenes. Today, we're going to break down artificial intelligence in the simplest way possible. No complicated terms, just fun explanations. Let's get started. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which means computers and machines can think and learn like humans. But wait, does that mean they have a brain like us? Nope. Instead, they use data, patterns, and smart algorithms to make decisions much faster than we can. Imagine your phone suggesting the best route to work, your smart assistant reminding you of a meeting, or YouTube recommending videos you might love. That's AI in action. How does AI work? Let's think of AI like a student in school. Just like we learn from books and practice, AI learns from data and experience. AI learns from experience. Netflix uses AI to recommend movies and shows based on what people watch. If someone watches action films, AI learns from that and suggests more action-packed content. AI improves over time. Case study: self-driving cars. Self-driving cars use AI to learn from past driving experiences. The more they drive, the better they get at avoiding obstacles and following traffic rules. AI makes predictions and decisions. Spotify and YouTube Music use AI to create personalized playlists. They analyze what songs people like and suggest new ones based on their taste. AI in everyday life. Montage of different AI applications. Netflix and YouTube. AI suggests movies and videos based on your watch history. Google Assistant /Siri/Alexa-A. I understands your voice and answers questions. Tesla Autopilot. AI helps cars drive safely and avoid accidents. Google Lens. AI recognizes objects, translates text, and identifies landmarks. ChatGPT and Grammarly. AI improves writing and fixes grammar mistakes. Google Translate. AI translates languages instantly. IBM Watson. AI helps doctors detect diseases and recommend treatments. Fraud detection. AI spots unusual transactions to prevent fraud. AI is everywhere, making life easier, safer, and more fun. The big question: is AI just about robots? Nope. AI is not just about robots taking over the world like in movies. It's about making life easier, solving problems, and creating new possibilities. How AI helps students learn. Faster personalized learning paths. AI-powered platforms like Khan Academy and Duolingo adapt lessons to student progress. Smart tutoring assistants. AI tutors provide instant explanations and help solve doubts. Automated grading and feedback. Tools like Grammarly offer real-time writing feedback. Interactive learning with AR and VR. AI-driven simulations bring learning to life. AI-powered note-taking. Apps like Notion AI summarize lectures and highlight key points. Language translation and accessibility. AI helps students learn in their preferred language. Exam preparation. AI generates practice questions and mock tests. How AI helps farmers grow better crops. Precision farming. AI analyzes soil, weather, and crop health for better farming decisions. Pest and disease detection. AI-powered drones identify crop diseases early. Smart irrigation. AI monitors soil moisture and automates watering. Yield prediction. AI predicts harvest sizes based on data analysis. Automated machinery. AI-powered robots assist with farming tasks. Result: higher crop yields, less waste, and more sustainable farming. How AI helps create new medicines. Drug discovery. AI scans millions of compounds to find potential new drugs. Disease prediction. AI analyzes genetic data to predict health risks. Personalized medicine. AI tailors treatments based on a patient's data. Faster clinical trials. AI speeds up drug testing by identifying the best candidates. AI-powered drug manufacturing. AI optimizes production, making medicines more affordable. The big question: how will you use AI? Narrator: AI is not just shaping our present, it's creating the future. The question is, how will you use AI to make a difference? Scene: a montage of different AI applications ending with a call to action. Now let's chat. What AI-powered app do you use every day? Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, or something else? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun AI episodes.